Hi, today we will try to learn how we can find descriptive statistics in SPSS. Okay, to find the descriptive statistics, go to Analyze, go to Descriptive Statistics. Here we have the two different options to find the descriptive statistics. One is frequencies and second descriptives. Now click on the option descriptives. Now here we have the column in which we can include our variables. Now we select the variables from the list and inputted these variables here. Now we have 7 variables here and we can set the statistics from options button. Here mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum and variable list. These variables are already checked. If we want distributions, we can check the kurtosis and skewness as well. Continue, press OK. These are the results of the descriptive statistics in output window of the SPSS. Here we have our first variable, preference of the capital gain, which has total number of the observations 30, minimum and maximum value, mean, standard deviation, skewness, kurtosis, and now the results of all 7 variables.